What's up guys, my name is Neff and this video is going to be about customizing your channel. Now this is the channel I created just for this video or for the playlist that I'm going to be doing in terms of starting your channel. So since this is really, there's nothing here, absolutely nothing, I'm gonna use my own channel to show you what it looks like when you're gonna go ahead and make edits. But at least you'll see exactly what it looks like once you have video. All right, since there's nothing here, it's completely blank. Now the last video was about creating a YouTube channel art or YouTube banner. You can use the same video to create your own Twitch banner. My brain just tagged, I'm sorry. So we're gonna swap to my channel. This is canva.com. This is where I created the YouTube channel art. Again, if you're interested, links are gonna be in the description for the video. I'm gonna close these. Then we're gonna focus on my channel. Now I'm gonna switch to the dark theme. If you're interested, if you want to see it, you can just switch this. This is how I usually prefer it to be. So yeah. So of course, it's just right there. Customize channel. Now what can you do here? Once you click this, you can change what shows or what people will see when you add or when you're at your channel. For this one, this is for returning subscribers, for new visitors. They even have these features now. I didn't see this before when I started out. I started 2018 around June. I think it's gonna be here. Yeah, June 23, 2018. Now we're still at the part so we can customize our channel. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna click YouTube just to go back to refresh. We're gonna start out. Click this so it doesn't show. Game ranks. Love your channel. Thank you. I love their channel. It's really good. So from here, again, just starting over, click customize channel. The first thing I changed here was the about section. So of course you can put whatever you want here, what your channel's about. If you have nothing here, you just click this, or even if you have something here written, you can click this. It will flip. Then you can make changes. Right now, this one right here is not supposed to be on your channel. I actually downloaded and I'm using Grammarly. I'm not using the paid version. It's actually the free one. Why should you use Grammarly? So it will check if there's something wrong with your grammar. I'm Filipino. I can speak English. I can understand English. I can read English. But of course, it's not my native language. So I might be saying or describing things that is not grammatically correct, right? So aside from this, you can just make changes. Done. Show more. Right there. So I'm just gonna change that again. You guys, and they're gone. Click done. Right there. Now you can add links here. If I click this, it's gonna show the links. That's for the Instagram, Twitch. I have Twitch, but I don't stream there anymore. It just won't work for my job. My shift changes every now and then, so I can't really have like a fixed schedule. Twitter is also here. I know you can put Facebook here and Google, but mostly any social media. Like featured channels, I know there were some here, like if there's a channel you work with or if you have friends who have channels, you can put them here so people can see them. Now in terms of your videos, not much here. Not much you can change here in terms of customizing. Those are the channels I'm subscribed to. So the only thing you need to focus when you're customizing a channel is your home and your about. You don't need to click any of these in the middle. Okay, so before I didn't have a video right in the middle or right in the start. If you want to upload one, you can click this. Every time you see that icon, it looks like a pen or pencil, just click it. Then you can trash or edit then you can click done. If you don't like what you did, you can just hit cancel. Goes back to what it was. Now from here, you can change these. Once you click the pen, it will give you an option on what you wanna put here. Of course, me, I've selected popular uploads, my created playlist, and my recent. You can actually thinking if I can drag and drop here. You can swap them if you want to. Click the icon, just move your mouse to where it is. You can put it on top, up, right there. Now, one thing I noticed when I did this the first time, and this is going back around last year March, I think. I was still tinkering with the changes. For example, right now I have recent activities, right? So this is what was just uploaded a few hours ago. It's gonna show here. If you remove this or you make a mistake, you end up removing it and replacing it with something else, everything at the recent activities is gonna be gone. It's not gonna show up. As for this created playlist, it's of course it's gonna show your created playlist. If you have a playlist that is hidden or private, it might even show here, but there's no picture, and if the viewer clicks it, they'll get a warning like are you authorized to view this? It's not a problem, but yeah, it's gonna show up here. So from here you can even add the selection if you want to. If you want to add something more, single playlist, if you want to, you can pick one. You can pick playlist if you want to. For me, I'm not gonna add that since I already have this. So again, this what you see here is gonna be entirely up to you, your own preference. But for me, I suggest you go with popular uploads, your recent activities, so your viewers will see immediately what you just uploaded. Uploads, it's gonna show exactly the same thing as recent activities. Honestly, it's the exact same thing. You don't have any recent uploads, so this will not appear on your channel. So if there's anything recent, say an hour ago or 2 hours, just a few minutes ago, it's gonna show here. But this one usually gets whatever is showing, it's just gone when you make changes. It's weird. It's weird. So you can trash this if you want to. You can trash it, but I'm just gonna leave it there. You can see here it's right there, but it's just empty, right? So I'm gonna refresh that. Click if you don't like what you did, just click the YouTube top left in your channel. And see here uploads, it has it, and it's exactly the same as the recent activities, right? It's kind of redundant, so just be careful on what you're adding. Right there. Right there. So for me, customize that. And we're gonna remove upload. Trash it. Just click the trash can icon, it's gonna be gone. Then again, always go back to your channel to know what it looks like after you make the changes. I've seen some channels that even I am subscribed to and follow. They only have recent activities. There's no popular uploads, there's no created playlist. Of course, it's gonna make it easier for your subscriber to see what you're doing or what you recently uploaded. Okay, so that wraps up the customized channel. Just a really quick one, around 9 or 10 minute video. If you like what you see, if you want to see more, click the like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one for more YouTube tutorial videos. The next one is gonna be the YouTube studio. Oh, this is gonna be a good one. There's gonna be a lot on this. Honestly, it is a lot of changes YouTube did starting this year. They made some changes. Anyways, thank you, and yeah, have a good one.